Hey guys, here's my recipe for tender, juicy, baked ribs. These are perfectly seasoned and so easy to make. Full measurements are in the description box below. Cut the ribs into 4. This will make the cooking process easier. This is what you'll need to season the ribs. Brush each piece with a layer of mustard. Make sure to also cover the back. And now cover the ribs in some of the seasoning. Do this for all the pieces and both sides. After you've seasoned it well, now it's time to add brown sugar. I like to pat down the seasoning and the sugar to make sure that it all sticks well. Bake at 250 for 90 minutes. After that time, remove each piece from the wrapping. Raise the temperature to 400. Place the ribs on a rack and brush on a layer of barbecue sauce. Place the ribs back in the oven and cook for another 30 minutes. The ribs are cooked perfectly, slightly sweet, packed with flavor. It's seriously so good. I hope you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching.